Alright, we are going to attempt to install this Mighty Mule smart gate opener. Comes with the, they call it the operator. And then we also have a keypad. We have the solar panel, the control box, and then underneath here is the mounting bracket for the control panel. It's going to be interesting. The video online shows that it takes 5 minutes to install this thing. We also have to install a new gate, so that's what's going to be our project today, and it's going to be kind of difficult because my co-worker does not want to be filmed, so it'll be a lot of editing. Anyway, install this gate right here. In this area right here, we're going to take this gate down across here. This is a it's like a custom-made gate. It works okay, but we want to have a automatic gate in, and I don't think we can work with this one. So anyway, that's going to be our task today. I won't show my co-worker, but I do have some other co-workers here. So we're going to get stuff, take this off, take this gate down, and start working on putting the other gate up. So this is our tool list right here of things we might need. We also got to take the gate off. I'm going to bring some bigger sockets. Got kind of all right there and right there. And I don't know if you can see, but we're going to back the tractor up, throw everything in the bucket. Because we still need the battery. Battery's not on here. Battery and the battery case. So, like I said, 5 minutes on the video. So we're 2 minutes in, and we haven't even started yet. So. First step before our first step, we've got the old gate removed, both sides. Guard dog. Just kind of set them over here out of the way, and now we'll go to installing the other gate and see how this one goes, if it goes any easier. All right, we are going to put this gate up. Kind of determine where we're going to put it. We have a hinge here, hinge down here somewhere, and put on the outside. We'll put the clamps for the operator hopefully right here. Hopefully we'll have enough space. This is all a lot of hopefully. Let's just take two on this one. Looks like I had it on fast forward time warp or something. Anyway, we've got this gate on, and I'm going to do a small little issue. I don't know if it's going to be that big of a deal or not. I actually put 3 hinges on this because it's a long gate, and even though it probably only weighs 100 pounds or 150 pounds, it still sags. And it sags just enough that it hits right about here. Right about there. So you can see it doesn't open very far. I thought maybe the 3rd hinge would help, but that doesn't seem to. So we're going to put the operator on and see if that will actually hold it up. It's not very heavy. If that doesn't work, then we'll have to put a cable up and try to keep the gate up. I had that on another gate. I didn't really like it because when you opened it up, it got real tight. So anyway, I'm going to try to finish this up and get the operator on, and we'll commence at that. Okay, we are on plan B now, probably up to Z. We had the gate, remember in the last video, the gate was here on this side of the 6x6, and we did not have enough clearance between the operator and the gate. Supposed to have at least 2 inches. We didn't really have maybe a ½ an inch. We were going to add a 4x4 to here, which would give us plenty of room, but then I don't have bolts that'll go through a 4x4 and a 6x6. So we moved the hinges to the front, and we still have the overlap here on this side. So, but it still does sag a little bit. We thought that might cure the sag problem, but it doesn't. So anyway, we're going to hook up the operator now and see if we can get that to hold the gate up. After much thought and consideration, so we have the bracket clamped there. We got to drill those out. We had the bracket clamped here, which
that's not where they go.
I kind of want to put a round clamp on here to hold it, because I don't know how strong this is. So there is something in the instructions about using some kind of a muffler clamp. So anyway, we got to get this drilled out, and I don't have a drill that's 6 inches long, so we'll see how this works out. Oh. When you don't have a long enough drill bit.
Yep. Okay, you better explain what you just did. Here's your camera.
Okay, so we're going to be hooking that bracket up. This is a 6x6, so it's like 5 3/4. I've got a drill bit that is 5.5 inches, and I kind of put it to its max and use the screwdriver to punch a hole through and then drill it out from the other side. And we'll see, hopefully the hole.
This on like 600 times.
5 minutes. That's all it takes.
That's all it takes. That's what the video says. 5 minutes. Oh, you want this?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's got to go in.
Have you? Okay. You'll have to speed up this part.
Yep. Hold on.
Alright, we need to get the
5 hours into this gate install. We are now at the control panel. We're hooking up the operator right now, and for some reason I just thought we had
3 inches.
Enough. I thought we just had a primary system, but it looks like we have a secondary and primary. So we're going to get that hooked in, and then we're going to go to the battery. So we'll come back. This is a four-handed operation. Okay, so we've got the battery connection right here, up through here, connected. We've got our gate connected, our operator, the primary and secondary, and they're in there. These got little screws on top. Screw those in. These are just connectors. That's to the switch. Now the next thing we got to do is, there's some other holes right here. We just got to pop these out and hook up our solar right up here. You would either hook up solar, which we're doing, or you just hook up electricity if you were just going to have this 110. So that's what we got next.
Set up the power. It's only been 5 minutes since we started. We've had absolutely no troubles whatsoever. Everything has gone smoothly and perfectly.
Yep.
Everything is great.
Okay. Batteries
Power's
hooked
hooked
up.
Alright, here's the screwdriver for the box.
We'll put that together.
The box together. Have to go. Oh, not good. We didn't do it bad. That would have been our luck. That's what we did wrong. Of course, now we don't even know how to make it open or close. But other than that, with all hooked up and ready to go.
Actually, we're going to need this open because you got to do all your adjustments out of here. All your adjustments.
It takes 20 seconds to power everything up, is what it said.
Okay, I'm going to take this back off because.
Okay, well.
Let's leave it right there. Okay, you ready?
No.
Ready?
Okay. Whoa, baby. Way to go. How do we make the gate work? Mule 1, the Lacombs 0. Or maybe Mighty Mule 8, the Lacombs 0. There's the hubster.
Subscribe to my channel for more tips on installing the Mighty Mule 371.
That doesn't work because it will not open. Actually, it won't. It opens. It won't close all the way.
So we're gonna have to YouTube on how to get this thing to set the limit switches and whatnot.
Because it won't work.
So
Not a happy camper.
follow me, subscribe to my channel. Or we were stupid. We didn't read the directions right. Basically, if we just pushed the left arrow and the up arrow at the same time, and then pushed the up arrow to close it, we would reach this closed area. So we do have a high spot in the driveway right now. You take 2, gate closing. Okay. And I guess that's a wrap up on the 371 install. We've got the power panel right here. Got the battery set up. Got everything hooked into the control box. We got the Mighty Mule arm on. This is kind of hokey. Might change this a little bit. Got everything hooked up there. That's so let's install the Mighty Mule 371. We still have to get the keypad up, but we'll do that another day. Solar panel, control box, gate, farm life.